Welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is Grace Cho again. So before we get started, I would like to say thank you so much to all my supporters, to all my viewers na patuloy na andyan na nagsusupport sa channel ko through watching my upload videos. So, andyan pa rin po kayo from the very beginning na nag-start ako dito sa YouTube ko up until now, andyan pa rin po kayo. So, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Again, I am not here kung hindi po dahil sa inyo kasi hindi naman po ako makakagawa ng content without your request. So, dahil sa mga request nyo, ayun, patuloy pa rin akong gumagawa ng content. At patuloy pa rin po akong nagbibigay ng mga information since that was your requested. So, before anything else, pasensya na sa background ko kasi meron po dito sa side ko electric fan. Since napakainit dito sa room na to. So, electric fan na lang yung ginagamit ko para hindi naman ako pagpawisan while gumagawa ako ng content or while nagre-record ako. So, pasensya na. But anyway, lahat ng mga importanteng impormasyon na kakailanganin nyo is nasa screen ko para kung meron man pong distraction na sound kayong naririnig, nandito pa rin po sa screen na babasa na. Okay po. So, sa mga hindi pa nagsusubscribe, please consider to subscribe my channel. Click the bell notification down below para updated po kayo sa in-upload kong videos every week or every other week. So again, yung content ko is more on work and abroad, the updates, or how to apply, the link na pinuprovide ko, the email address of the agency as well as the addresses of the agency. So kung yun po yung hinahanap nyo, well, you are in the right channels. Always watch my video till end to get the most important information for you to apply. So the agency that I will provide for you today, the first one is Jedigal International Manpower Services Incorporation, license number DMW-166-LB-09042023-R, address ground floor, second floor, Accent Tower number 33, Shorthorn Street, Project 8, Quezon City. So job vacancy are the following. Number 1, events staff, salary offer, Qatar Riyal 1,800. Flower maker, salary offer, Qatar 1,800. So, DMW accreditation number for the position na na-mention ko is 1045-1337. So, you can send your updated resume. The email address of the agency is provided at the screen. Next is job offer bound to UAE. The first one, Arabic cook, salary offer 2,400 to 3,600 AED. Foreign cook, salary offer 2,800 to 3,600 AED. So, chef, salary offer 3,600 AED. Waiter and waitress, 1,500. So, DMW accreditation number 1044-3518. So, before ko po ipapatuloy, always don't forget to click the bell notification down below. At kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, subscribe my YouTube channel para updated kayo sa mga ina-upload kong videos again every week or every other week. So, continue na po tayo. It's just a reminder para hindi po kayo makalimot mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko. Kasi marami pa po ako mga content na gagawin para sa inyo. Since yun yung nire-request nyo, tsaka yun yung kung gusto nyo makapagtrabaho abroad. So, next agency is First Dynamic Personal Resources Incorporation. Representative under the name of Catherine Liana Z. Choa. Address, 3rd floor, JLC Building number 8, Ramirez Street, Quezon City. Contact number na pwede niyong pagtawagan kung gusto niyong magtanong kung bakante pa ba yung mga previous niyong gustong pag-applyan, or kung nakapag-apply na kayo na gusto niyong magkaroon ng update or gusto niyong i-update yung application niyo. Nasa screen po yung telephone number na pwede niyong tawagan or pwede niyong i-text. Pero mas prepared, para po sa akin, mas prepared na tawagan na lang para direct po. Kasi kung text, di ba, maghintay pa kayo. So, kung tawag na lang, para pagtawag nyo is meron kaagad sasagot at masagot agad yung itatanong. Okay po? So, job offer are the following. Number 1, heavy duty truck mechanics bound to Canada. Qualification number 1 must have at least 5 years experience in truck dealership, Frightener, Volvo, or Mitsubishi. Number 2, must have complete documents. Number 3, must have a vocational diploma, short course, certificate holder in similar fields. How to apply? Send your updated CV or resume. The email address of the agency is provided at the screen. The second one, truck and trailer mechanic bound to Canada. Qualification number 1, must have at least 5 years of experience. Number 2, must have a vocational diploma, short course, certificate. So, send your updated CV or resume. The email address of the agency is provided at the screen para wala po kayong dahilan na hindi makapag-apply. Lahat po ng importanteng impormasyon nasa screen po, makikita nyo lahat. So, number 3, heavy duty truck mechanic bound to Australia. So, meron pong for Canada, meron for Australia na heavy duty truck mechanic. Apply online. So, yung email address na pwede nyong i-send yung updated CV and resume nasa screen po. The fourth one, store manager bound to Papua New Guinea. Qualification number 1, minimum of 3 years supervisor or managerial position in a large multi-department store and supermarket or hypermart. So, yun po yung requirements nila. Of course, can work under pressure. And then the last one, candidate must be a college graduate. So, apply online. The email address of the agency is provided at the screen. The last one, Royal Technician bound to USA. Qualification number 1, must have at least 5 years related experience. Number 2, must have at least vocational diploma or short course certificate. And then the last one, willing to work in USA. Sino ba yung ayaw magtrabaho sa USA? I think lahat naman tayo, di ba? Kasi dollar na yun. Malaki yung, mataas yung currency ng dollar, di ba? So, how to apply? Send your updated CV or resume. The email address of the agency is provided at the screen. So, reminders to all applicants for manpower calling only. No fees in any form and or purpose will be collected from the applicant. So, beware of illegal recruiters and human traffickers. So, yun po yung mga trabaho na pwede niyong pag-applyan sa dalawang agency na na-mention ko. And, please take note, apply right now. Kasi marami po yung aplikante, hindi lamang po isa, dalawa, marami po yung mga aplikante ng mga agency. Halos pila pa nga po, or minsan yung mga aplikante sa labas na lang nag-aantay, pumipila, hanggang sa labas pa yung pilahan nun. So, again, mag-apply po kayo agad-agad. And of course, bago kayo mag-apply, bago kayo pumunta sa agency, dapat lahat po ng mga requirements na kakailanganin ng agency dala nyo para wala pong dahilan na hindi kayo makater that time. Kasi sayang naman po yung pamasahin nyo, yung effort nyo pagpunta sa agency, tapos hindi kayo i-cater kasi kulang yung requirements ninyo. Okay po, so take note for that para wala pong aberya sa pag-apply ninyo. So, sa mga hindi pa nag-subscribe sa channel ko, please consider to subscribe my channel. Click the bell notification down below para updated po kayo sa lahat ng mga videos na i-upload ko. So, again, to all my supporters, unique viewers, thank you for the support. So, have a great day. Thank you for watching. Bye!